Ka Nephington Laloo Memorial Secondary School kabolong kawen ka Shilam Aji Hikai ya ka jinang start juki kana school ka Thany kabodan hakadong menyurut Wahiajer West Kyntiew District mentaga sngi ka shipo tarik ujamang arjar posau kalayo eka Kyntiew Kyrdan naka secondary syaka higher secondary school ya kabon tipno eka kumka Nephington Laloo Memorial Higher Secondary School Wahiajer hakan eka sngi lawan madot yu ribon jongka Kyrdan Higher Secondary School daka kongsan kabaderu ka District School Education Officer jongka West Kyntiew District kakong episim haka jingalang balapenyait do uma W lengdo haka jingan lang uma S lalu Secretary SMC ma H Dekar ma L Shila Assistant Headman jongka Wahiajer kino hikai ki kana school bat kilong kemilong kepa ia kanika school laseng nong rim haus nem kat kanai spa prapunyo tang haka Kyrdan Lower Primary School daya kas nem kat kanai spa kanai punriu la Kyntiew Kyrdan syaka Upper Primary School kat ba haus nem arjar henriu kala Kyntiew Kyrdan syaka Secondary School ban mentau usnem arjar aposau kalakot syaka Kyrdan Higher Secondary School. Kumbalong mentah kino hikai juga nega school. Nadu kelas nursery hadu kelas 10, kentup nadu ke headmaster. Kino hikai lem kiba ansur tung temai, kidan arpui ngut baro. Kan bagi kana school kidan chispa ar ngut kishan rang, ba chispa alai pulai ki kentei. Baro lang kilong arspa alai pesan ngut. Ka school kal jiwan ru syakmat, haka exam SSLC, balapan long dak embus. Ka school kal yuk jingarap ru haka yang ka jingsiu tulop ikino hikai, nadu ke LP school under deficit, non-government LP. Kawai ka pre-primary, bat kawai ka regular teacher. Yaki upper primary section, 8 hapa po ka ad hoc grant in aid, bat ka secondary level, kilayo kawai ka po sayan teacher ka maths. Naga sarkar, karba kiwai kinihikay la situlog bed, naga management juga school.
By cutting this ribbon, I declare the foundation and the opening of the higher secondary level of Nephington Memorial Higher Secondary School open from today. God bless everyone.
The SSLC examination result conducted by the MBOs for the last 4 years, years of 2019 and 20, appear 21 pass 21 percentage 100%, and the years of 2020 to 2021, the appear 15 pass 15 100%, 2021 and 22 appeared 16 pass 15 percentage pass 93.75%. And 2022-2023 appear 13 pass 10 percentage pass 76.92%. The composition of the school as of now: we have lower primary school under deficit, non-government LP with 1 pre-primary and 1 regular teachers. The upper primary section is under ad hoc grant in aids, and the secondary level we have received only 1 sanctioned post of science teachers mathematics from the government, and the rest of the teachers were being paid by the management, and we are continually pursue education department to sanction ad hoc grant in aids for secondary in order to ease the financial burdens of the school managing committee. In regards to the present scenario of education facilities in Wahiajer village, being the big village who has got no provision for upliftment of higher studies for the students who have been passed out SSLC from the 3 existing secondary schools available in the area. Hence, the school managing committee has come up with a bold decision to initiate to start higher secondary section in our school right from this year 2024 by any means in spite of financial constraint. The letter for information and granting permission had already been submitted to the District School Education Officer, West Kyntiew District, few months back, for the said purpose, for the interest of the people. In view of the above, we look forward for the moral support of public in general and the Education Department in particular to achieve the vital goal.
Nephington Memorial School will be the first ever school in Wahiajer to inaugurate the higher secondary school. So I would like to congratulate all the members of the SMC, all the teachers, the students, the parents, and also the village for having an insight and a vision to inaugurate and to set up the higher secondary school here in Wahiajer. So a very heartiest congratulations to all who are involved in making this vision of yours, of the institution, to carry out and to impart education to the students, to the children of this village and the nearby villages, and to impart a sound and moral education, because nowadays we don't only need academics. We have so many spheres in education where it will be incorporated later on when the state of Meghalaya will adopt the NEP. As of now, we are on the preparatory stages of NEP. So I hope that the members of the SMC, the village members who are a part of running the school, is aware of these steps that will be taken later on. But as I've said, congratulations once again to all who are involved in making this vision of yours. I don't know whose vision it is, who had initiated this vision, but congratulations. And I urge all the parents of the village to kindly send your children to this institution, because of course right now we don't know what kind of institution or what kind of education you will be imparting. But according to my understanding, you will be opening up first only the art stream. Yeah, so it is only the art stream first that will be inaugurated this year, and admissions will be given as soon as the results of the MBOs are out. So as an institution, I believe that this is your goal, to make your children or our children achieve their goals in life. And also, as an institution, I would like to say that you have to have good teachers. Don't mind all the teachers that are here, they are all good, because looking from the results, the previous results of the MBOs, the results were fantastic. You got 100%, and then of course because of the lockdown there was that is understood. All the schools, they had that. After the lockdown the results went down. So it doesn't matter. Now is the time to raise up again. All right, we have to rise up again. And I believe this year you'll get 100% again. Okay, and that is our aim, to get and to give the best education, and not only the best but quality education. And as teachers, we should give our best. We should give our best, because we as teachers, we are the motivators, we are the guide, we are all in all. That is, usually what the world thinks about a teacher. When we say we are a teacher, everybody thinks that a teacher knows everything. And they have to work that way, and they have to fulfill their duties and responsibilities as a teacher.